Question number 1x, integration of e to the power x sec e to the power x tan e to the power x dx. Let e to the power x समान z. So e to the power x dx समान dz. So that is equal to integration. This is sec e to the power x, that is sec z, and tan e to the power x, that is e to the power x equal to z, that is tan z, and e to the power x into dx, that is equal to dz, and that is equal to here integration of sec z into tan z dz, that is equal to sec z plus c, and that is equal to sec e to the power x plus c. Question number 1 xi, integration of sec square x root over by x root over dx. Here x root over is equal to z, that is half x to the power minus half into dx is equal to dz, and this implies that is 1 by 2 into x root over dx is equal to dz, or this implies here dx by x root over is equal to 2 into dz, and that is equal to integration here x square root over is equal to z, so this is equal to sec square z, and dx by x root over is equal to 2 dz, that is into 2 dz, that is equal to 2 into integration of sec square z into dz, that is equal to 2 into tan z plus c, that is equal to 2 into tan x root over, that is z is equal to x root over plus c. Question number 2, first bit, integration of sin x cos x dx. Here let sin x is equal to z, so that implies that is cos x into dx is equal to dz, and this is equal to here sin x is equal to z, and cos x into dx is equal to dz, and that is equal to z square by 2 plus c, and that is equal to sin x square by 2 plus c. Question number 2, second I, integration of tan qx sec square x dx. We let here tan x is equal to z, so that is sec square x into dx is equal to dz, so this is equal to z to the power q into dz, that is equal to z to the power 4 by 4 plus c, that is equal to tan x to the power 4 by 4 plus c. Question number 2, third bit, integration of cos x square x by 1 plus cot x dx. Here taking 1 plus cot x is equal to z, so the derivative of cot x, that is equal to minus cos x square x dx is equal to dz, as the derivative of 1 is equal to 0, and this implies cos x square x dx is equal to minus dz, and that is equal to here cos x square x dx is equal to minus dz, and 1 plus cot x is equal to z, that is equal to minus ln z modulus plus c, and that is equal to minus ln here z is equal to 1 plus cot x plus c. Question number 2 IV, integration of sin x by cos qx dx. Now taking cos x is equal to z, this implies minus sin x dx is equal to dz, and this implies sin x into dx समान minus dz, and that is equal to integration of minus dz by z cube, and that is equal to minus integration z to the power minus 3 dz, and that is equal to minus z to the power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1, and that is equal to minus z to the power minus 2 by minus 2 plus c, and that is equal to, that is minus here z is equal to cos x to the power minus 2 by minus 2 plus c, and that is equal to here minus minus plus, and that is 1 by that is 2 cos x रो square plus c. Question number 2b, integration of cos x by sin power 5x dx. Here taking sin x is equal to z, so we have cos x into dx is equal to dz, that is cos x into dx is equal to dz, that is dz by z to the power dz by z to the power 5, that is equal to integration z to the power minus 5 into dz, and that is equal to z to the power minus 5 plus 1 by minus 5 plus 1 plus c, and that is equal to z to the power minus 4 by minus 4 plus c, and that is equal to sin x to the power minus 4 by minus 4 plus c. Question number 2, vi, integration of cos x square ln x by x dx. Now taking ln x, that is ln x is equal to z, that is 1 by x into dx is equal to dz, and that is equal to integration here cos x square, that is cos x square z, and dx by x, that is dz, that is integration of cos x square z dz, and that is equal to minus cot z plus c, and that is equal to minus cot ln x minus cot ln x plus c. Question number 2, v double I, integration of 1 minus sin x root over into cos x dx. Now taking 1 minus sin x, that is equal to z, and this implies here minus derivative of sin x is equal to cos x, so this is minus and minus, minus cos x dx is equal to dz, and this implies cos x dx is equal to minus dz, and that is equal to integration of here minus dz, cos x dx is equal to minus dz, that is minus, that is z to the power half into dz, and that is equal to minus z to the power half plus 1 by half plus 1 plus c, and that is equal to minus z to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c, and that is equal to minus 2 by 3, that is minus 2 by 3 1 minus sin x, that is z to the power, that is 1 minus sin x to the power 3 by 2 plus c, and that is same as minus 2 by 3 1 minus sin x to the power 3 by 2 plus c.